Here I'm going to explain you how to create an employee in Fax ERP. For creating an employee, you need to go to the menu HR and Payroll, Masters, HR, Employee Master. While clicking Employee Master, it will open up with a list of already available employee details. For creating new employee, click the new button in the top of the list menu. While clicking new button, it will open up with a blank screen with the employee code. Employee code will automatically generate. Here you can type the employee name, type the UID number, and you can select the department. If you want to select the department, click the lens button here. You can see all the available departments in the master. If you want to filter with, you can type here. It will filter with that details. So you can select HR administration, then you can select the working company, then you can select WPS company. Furthermore, you can select. You can see a red star here. It means that it's a mandatory field. So while saving, you need to ensure that these all are the data are already entered feed in the system. So these all are the other things we can add. Then here you can select the gender, marriage status, blood group, and so more. Date of birth, date of joining, you can select the date of joining, training months. If you want to keep, we can keep. Probation months, confirmation date, notice period, we can select. For adding the photo, we can browse the photo. Then if you want to keep the signature the same way, you can browse and attach the signature image. Then we can add more details in the details tab. While clicking details tab, you can add the local contact details, home country contact details, emergency contact details, and here WPS number is there. So you can enter the WPS number for that particular employee. Then salary method we can select. Default it will be monthly, and disbursement method it's a cash or bank, or and you can select the company bank, employee bank. Then you can put the employee IBAN number. If you want to give a overtime percentage, you can mention here. And if you want to put that employees applicable for overtime, you can select overtime. And if you have the time attendance integrated with the system, you can take time attendance is required. And for the accounting purposes, we can select the GL code for that accounting. Then if you are going to education and training details, you can add here the plus button. Below the screen you can see the plus button. You click that, we can select the education type, and institution name we can type. Country you can select. From date and to date also you can select. If you want to put remarks, you can enter the remarks also. And additionally, if you want to add more details, you can click the plus button again. So same way you can add more details. And experience details also you can add here. Same like a plus button you need to add. You can add the company name, place, designation, from date to date, what are the salary details. If you want to keep for the reference purpose, you can add that. And here you can see the languages known, so you can add the languages which is knowing. It's languages read, you can take, write or speak. Now you can enter the document details. So here we can add a number of documents which is available in the master. You can select passport details or residence visa details, all the things. You can add the issue date here, then expiry date you can select, document number, passport number you can put here, issue date, if you want to attach the file, you can attach the file from the so passport book, passport copy we can attach. Then you can add the family details, so you can add relation type, name, and date of birth. Then we can go to the provision tab. So system automatically take all the provisions are from the, if take it will automatically taken from the date of joining. If provision start date, if you want to change, you can change the provision start date. Default it will be joining date. And leaves, what are the leaves types are eligible for the particular employee, we can select. And basic eligible days for per year 30 days. Then privilege tab, system automatically create that employee status as active. And more details, if you want to enter, we can use that in future. User defined details are there. Then once all the details are fed into the system, you can save. Thank you.